Hello Discogs sellers, Jared here from the Disconnect team, and today I'm going to walk you through on a couple of our new features which include Discogs auto relisting and inventory management. Okay, so let's take a look at inventory management first. Disconnect is now going to act as your master inventory database. Okay, so when you do create your product on Discogs, you now have the option to send your inventory with the product should you have multiple copies. So to do that, go to your channel settings and enable the switch. So this switch, fetch inventory quantity from Discogs, enable it, and once you do, you will be seeing this particular option. Select Discogs field to fetch inventory quantity from. You have two options which include private comments and item location, right? So when you do create your product on Discogs, please be sure to put your inventory either on the private comments or on item location based on what you select here. Now, when you create your product on Discogs, your quantity will be there in either of those fields, and when you sync that same product to Disconnect, Disconnect will automatically fetch the data from either of those fields into Disconnect, and therefore your inventory is now reflecting in Disconnect from Discogs. Okay. Now let's assume that you also connected your Shopify and eBay to Disconnect. Okay. And now, for explanation's sake, I'm going to consider I've created a product on Discogs with inventory 5. Now, when I sync the product to Disconnect, Disconnect will fetch my inventory from either of those fields into Disconnect, so my product will have inventory 5 on Disconnect. And since Disconnect has an inventory of 5, when this particular product is also synced to Shopify and eBay, they will be created on either of those platforms with inventory 5. Okay? Now, this is how inventory management works. Disconnect will always act as your centralized inventory management platform, and it will ensure your inventory is always synced between all your connected platforms. Okay. Now, let's assume you have a sale on Discogs. Your Discogs inventory is going down by 1. Your Disconnect inventory goes down by 1, which in turn will also make your Shopify and eBay inventory go down by 1. Okay. And since your Discogs inventory goes down by 1, your listing will be removed, right? The point to note is that your Discogs will not be using the item location and your private comments. It's only Disconnect's inventory which controls everything. And since Disconnect inventory is 4, we will automatically recreate your listing on Discogs with a new listing ID, and therefore your product is now relisted on Discogs without any manual intervention from your side. Okay. Now, the point to note is that as long as you have inventory in your Disconnect for that particular product, we will keep relisting your product on Discogs after it keeps getting sold. Okay, and the same reflects on all your other platforms as well. So this is how Discogs auto relisting works. I hope that was helpful, guys. If you have any queries, you can always write to me at jared@constacloud.com or help@disconnect-app.com, or you can always reach out to us on the live chat available on our website. I hope that was helpful. Feel free to reach out to us. We are more than glad to help resolve any sort of queries that you have. Thanks and have a great day, and happy selling on Discogs. Bye bye. Take care.